Hello friends, my name is Sanne and welcome back to another video. I'm back with a little casual video that I just wanted to record because I have a really big package here from one of my internet friends, which has a lot of stuff in it. And I wanted to unbox it. So I feel like we should do that, you know? So I have a really big package. I'm trying not to show. It's pretty big. It's like nearly 5 kilos. It's a lot in here. And everything in here was like a really lovely gift from my friend. You can follow her on YouTube as well. It's Beauty and the Beaker. Of course, I'll link her down below. But she sent me all this fun stuff. So we're gonna unbox that. Aha. Oh, there's so much. God, there's so much. We have Doritos Flaming Hot Chips. Flaming Hot Nachos. We have Fritos Flaming Hot Corn Chips. We have Takis Fuego and Cheetos Crunchy Flaming Hot. Which is all the spicy chips. Not for me, but for my boyfriend, because spicy chips are not for me. You've made my boyfriend extremely happy. He's very excited to try all the different chip flavors. And then we have a box filled with stuff and little notes. So, okay. Tea! Teas! So many teas. Wait, I freaking love tea! Cozy Chamomile, Turmeric Glow, Jasmine Blossom Green Tea, Lemon with Vitamin C, Blood Orange. These are interesting. You can hear it shake. White Blueberry. I like white tea a lot. Peach Oolong. I've never tried oolong tea. Never. So nice. Strawberry and Vanilla. Amazing. And English Breakfast. I freaking love tea. They're dinosaur sunglasses. These are so cute. I love these. These are so fun. Okay, wait, what's this? It's saltwater toffee with different flavors. That's so nice. Ooh, I'm so excited to try these. Then we have some makeup. We have even more tea. Wait. There's so much tea. Mango. Chai. Ooh, I love chai. Turmeric Glow again. Kentucky Bourbon. Interesting. Lemongrass Ginger. Sounds good. Hibiscus and Lime. Chamomile Vanilla. Earl Grey Decaf. Was that? That's not all the tea. That's not. I can't reach it. That's not all the tea yet. So much tea. Okay, now we have some makeup things. Let's go for some makeup things, because we picked these out together. She packaged them really well because I wanted to try some blushes. So first we have the Koki Gradient Blush. I'll show you first what I have and then I can open them. Then we have the Moira Ombre Blush. Because I was saying that I wanted to try the Moira blushes because they're so pretty, the gradient ones. And then she said that Koki had very similar ones. So we thought, why not get like both and then we can try, compare. So we have some Koki blushes and some Moira blushes. Okay, so we have 2 of each, 2 Moira blushes and 2 Koki blushes. So we have the Moira ones in Soft Berry and Morning Sunshine. These 2. And then we have the Koki ones in Tender and Crushing. And Crushing, I think, yes, that's a shimmer blush, which I was like really intrigued. Because it seemed like, you know, the Koki and Moira ones were really similar also in the shade range and whatever. But Moira ones don't have shimmer blushes. So I was really excited to try the Koki ones. I'll open them soon. I first need to get through everything because it's so much. Then we have something with a note that says, I've never tried this, it could suck. So, we'll see, we'll try it. But I think I know, I recognize this. I don't know right now. I do recognize it. These are so cute. Wait. Okay, so these are the Cara Beauty Duo things. I think you can, yes. These are so cute. Like, you can get them in like different shades. And then you can like stick them together to have like a big palette. Which is so cute. But I've heard good things about Cara Beauty, and I thought these were adorable when I saw them. So with the purple one, with the little butterfly with flowers, and then the mint one. So those are like my favorite colors. But this is such a cute concept. So these are like, the lighting in this camera. I'm filming on my phone. It's absolutely atrocious, but I'll include a clip later with some close-ups so you can like see the colors properly, because this does not show the colors. But these are so pretty. And then the mint one, the greenish one as well. So cute. I think that collection is really cute. Okay, and then we have, oh, this is nice. A cleaning mat. I only have a really, really small one, which is just too small. But you can just, it has the suction thing, so you can stick it to your sink and then just clean your brushes. Which is nice, because I only have a really small one. And it's too small for all the cleaning that I have to do. This is nice. What is it? Wait. It's a beehive candle with a tiny bee. I will never burn this. Never. Look how cute. With the tiny bee. Freaking love bees, man. Bees are great. So these are all things that she had in her collection, but she just did not use. She never used them, so she put them in here. So, wait, there's a lot, so I'll just quickly go through it. There's the Essence Glimmer Glow Color Changing Lipstick. A baby lips lip balm. It's a liquid eyeliner by Profusion. There's a sticker on it, so you can't see the color, but I think it's like an orange. Ooh, I've been wanting to try these. These are it's a Colourpop Super Shock Cheek. So it's a blush in a really cute shade. It's a Sephora lipstick in the shade Sand Blasted. It's also like wrapped up in plastic, so I won't open it, but it's a Sephora lipstick. I'm just excited because we don't have a Sephora here, so I can never try Sephora, but now I can. This is, ooh, a little eyeshadow brush by Essence. You know I like me some Essence brushes. Yes, this is nice. Cute, with the glitter. Adorable. Another one. Oh yes, nice. That's a cute one. I think I'm gonna use that one a lot. So these are cute brushes, I must say. This is really cute. I don't know what kind of collection this is, but it's a Wet n Wild collection. Stardust Lip Mousse. I need to take a proper video of everything later, but do you see how cute that is? Ooh, it's a jelly eyeshadow from the Star Wars collection from Colourpop. That's so fun. I'm really excited to see that formula, see what it does. And NYX lip cream, another Colourpop Star Wars collection thing. I'll open it later. I guess it's like a lipstick. And another, okay, this is a graphic liner from the Colourpop Star Wars collection. Then a NYX Butter Gloss. I've heard many good things about the butter glosses, so I'm excited to try those. This is a really cute color as well. Another Colourpop Super Shock blush. This one is shimmery, so that's really cute. And then we have a Wet n Wild Stitch lip gloss. That's so cute. Everything was in this really cool Star Wars pouch. That's so fun. And then we have another thing I ordered, but it's the Mina colored mascara in the green. I wanted to try this. I want more colored mascaras in my life. And then we have like, wait, is this also? No, wait. This is a fun thing. She made me a crayon with my name on it. It's so funny. I love that. I'm gonna put that in my room. Neon Carrot is the color. Then we have some really cute cooking gear, because we have measuring spoons in my favorite color. These match my kitchen perfectly. Everything in my kitchen is this color. Everything. So perfect. Baby Yoda spatulas. These are so cute. Oh, these are nice. It's Yoda. Very Yoda cutting plates, cutting sheets, cutting mats. That's what you call them. Aren't these so cute? Oh, this is the oh, so it's also for it's for food. The pouch is for food and such. That's nice. I can use that. And then we have so much more tea. So much more tea. And then, oh, what's this? Wait. This is not tea. Dip! Candy dip. Candy dip. I love dip. Oh, these are, yes. Oh, I wanted these. The Kiss My Lash But Better lashes in another style than I already have. This is in the style No Filters. These look beautiful. So subtle. These look really nice. And then we have Kiss Lash Couture. These scare me. They do look a bit scary though. They're very, very full, very thick. I will try them. I will. They do look nice. They do look like nice quality. Nightmare Before Christmas official cooking book. I will cook so many Nightmare Before Christmas things. I'm gonna cook so many things. This is so fun. Look how cute these are. I love these. I'm so excited. I don't know. I can't speak. I'm just too excited. And then what's this? There's more. This is the final thing. Okay, so we have, oh my god, leftover stickers. We have Baby Yoda stickers. I love stickers. I have so many. Ooh, a Zelda sticker. Oh, it's just a drawing book. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so cool. There's like old books on it. It feels so nice. Okay, so it's the next day and I have stalled out everything because it's so much. You know, just so we can have like a nice close-up of everything. Because, of course, the quality of the video last night wasn't that great. Look how nice these lashes are. And indeed, these look very scary. Like, they look so thick. Shit, the note. These scare me. They look so weirdly thick. But these are gorgeous. But I can't wait to try these just to see how that looks. And then we have this really cute lip mousse. This palette, I'm so excited about these. These look adorable. And they're like my two favorite colors, purple and green. Then we have the different blushes, Koki and Moira. I'm thinking of maybe do like a comparison video because these look fun. I want to, you know, compare their formulas a bit. We have the green mascara. This one looks beautiful. The official cookbook. It even has like tips on how to like decorate your house and how to plan a party. And it's just so good. Especially this October. I'm just gonna spend the entirety of October making recipes from this, I think. I have to. And then we have this really cool sketchbook. Like this is so stunning. All these little books. It feels so nice as well. I keep doing this because it just feels so nice. I want to start drawing again, so I can put it all in there because I haven't been drawing at all lately and I've really been wanting to. Then we have all the kitchen supplies to match the cookbook. These cute spatulas, adorable. This is just all tea in this freezer bag. Just all tea, so much tea. I'm really excited, I freaking love tea. Then we have the chips for my boyfriend. He's gonna be really excited about those. I don't know if I'm gonna try them because I can't handle spicy food that well. And the crayon with my name on it. Stickers, lip balm, the dino glasses. These are amazing. Just dino glasses. And then the lip products and such. There's just so much. And I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day like swatching some things and trying everything out. So another big thank you to my friend for sending this all over. It's way too much. Way too much. I can't wait to play with everything. So thank you so much. Shout out to Beauty in the Beaker on YouTube. Again, link the channel down below, so you better check it out because she posts some very, very fun hauls and swatch comparisons and just a lot of different makeup things. Very fun. Thank you again. I don't really know what to say. Thanks for watching my haul, this unboxing video. This was just a fun little bonus video for the Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't know when I'm posting this, but just a little bonus video. Goes up separately from all the other channel videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more from me. If you want to see even more from me, my blog, my socials, and everything you need to know about me is linked down below so you can check that out as well. And it's gonna be it for me today. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodles!